Hello everyone, once again live, Brad Linko from the Palatial Linko Estates. I received a video from a teacher friend of mine, and I thought this was the perfect way to sum up cleaning your hands properly and how germs are on your hands and the importance of hand washing. We are going to have my wonderful daughter Hannah. She's going to be presenting exactly what's going to happen here. So she's going to dip her finger into, all we have is pepper and water in here. That's all we've got. So she dips her finger into the pepper and the water. And you can see, She has, so if you think about the pepper, it represents germs. So she's got germs all over her finger, right? So you have to wash your hands. So she goes to get soap. So imagine she puts soap on her hands, she's rinsing the soap, and you see that once she put her finger with the soap on it in the water, all the pepper spread away. So if you have clean hands, the moral of this is if you have clean hands and you use soap and water and you wash your hands properly, those germs are gonna run away. They're gonna run away.
Wash your hands.
Miss you all.